Yeah, we're making headway now. Got a nice bevel ground on it. We got the sidewall built there, right there, on the back side there. And it's you have to fill this crack next, get a piece to fit in here. And I was using the 555, and then I had DC positive on the electrode, and then I moved to, wasn't having much luck with that, and I switched to AC, and then I switched to the Nomo cast, and finally wound up on 308. Cast to cast. And for cast to dissimilar metal, you want to use 309 L, I guess. These were like a green rod, green color, greenish blue. And now they're, I bought a can of 308, like the rifle. Bought a can and they're white. Now they're white. I bought a can of 332. 308, and the number is actually called Excalibur, Lincoln Excalibur 308L16. And even though it wasn't the same color,